Hi, Salam. Good evening, friends. This is your Dr. Azra from our channel Days with Eyes of Doctors, welcoming you to our mini vlog. As it's raining almost every day here, we are unable to capture and make nature videos. Though it's a green, beautiful city with beautiful lakes surrounded by nature and greenery, which is feast to our eyes, and we love our Bangalore's rainy weather. So, guys, we took out a hack to go to some of the awesome food outlets and share with you a mini dose of happiness and positivity. We came over to Sriraj Lassi Bar. They have 14 outlets all over Bangalore city and one in Dubai as well. They are famous for kullad lassis, the best faludas, and yummy mastanis, milkshakes, ice creams also, sandwiches and fries for people who are not dessert lovers like us. It was still drizzling, and we wanted to enjoy the weather a little more, so we decided to shop some funky imitation jewelry. Hope you enjoyed with us. Stay happy. See you in the next vlog.